I actually work for GWM now. When you have opportunity to grow, you have to look in life and say, do I take this opportunity to go learn, grow, or do you stay in your comfort zone? Don't think about John.
Shut the f up.
I will your girl.
I don't have any.
Wagwan Squad. Bob's leaving tomorrow, so we're gonna have an early dinner with him and John. That's a nice good part. And tomorrow, last night before I fly home, we're gonna spend my last night probably with my boy Zach Brown, you know. First ever Bayesian friend. Started my Barbados trip and I love to end my Bayesian trip with him. Maybe have a few drinks, have some food, pool, or if we're really feeling it, I'm gonna go out until it's time to fly out of this country. Tweet, motherfucker. I don't know what that was. Alright, so let we go. Well, go on, guys. I did not film because we're just partying and thing. 4 AM, work has started, finished my first meeting. A few things, but I think today may end up being a pretty free day. Cause I'm gonna get some stuff out of the way. Now I'm gonna take you guys and show you work today for real. So, see you soon. Ooh, got to have a nice little nap. That was sweet, guys. Have a little TikTok that's blowing up here in Barbados. I've been in Barbados for about like a week now, and I just want to know what the blood clot are going with living expenses. Just pay $300. Yo, people are losing their shit at me. People are getting so vexed. And TikTok is pissing me off because TikTok is deleting my comments. People are cussing me as okay, but when I reply, TikTok deleting it. Like somebody said, go back to where you came from. I said, we just come from your mother. I mean, I want to go back there, so. And bro, jeez, TikTok, calm down. Yeah, guys, I have a little lunch date meeting today. Show off some car, and I'll show you the work. I've been promising. People been asking, so today is the day. Alright, off. Squad, so checked out. Woo. You know, open up for me?
You want me? Welcome to GWM.
Check out the bar shop. Look how great this is. So what I just showed you is our experience center, where currently our showroom and workshop is under construction. We're here at the Walk in Welches, Barbados. Come check us out. We have hybrids, electric, diesel pickup. I'm actually here taking a customer on a test drive. They don't want to be filmed, so, but this is the one. This is the one, sir. We filmed him anyways. So we're gonna go for a test drive. Then I'm gonna take you and see the showroom that we're building. So, big up. Alright guys, done a few test drives today. You saw the showroom. So that's our experience center, something new to the Caribbean. First one in the Caribbean ever. So yeah, that was big. Let's go stop by, let me show you where we're building up dealership and then time to go home. So let's see it through here. This is building coming along. Our bond store, workshop, sales, everything will all be up here. So guys, next time I'm here, this will look completely different. It'll be finished and I think you're all gonna be blown away. I actually work for GWM now. I'm helping them set up around the Caribbean. They were impressed with my work and passion in Jamaica and they offered me a job. And when you have opportunity to grow, you have to look in life and say, do I take this opportunity to go learn, grow, become a better person, or do you stay in your comfort zone? And you know what? I said, F it. So that's why I'm always traveling for work. That's why you see me all over the place. Almost every place I've gone this year except for Trinity Carnival and Italy was work. I was doing some form of work there. I just haven't been able to show it, so you see me? I've just shown what I've done in my off time. But yeah, that's what I'm doing for a living now, guys. I'm helping them out, getting them set up, and yeah, let's see. Hopefully I do a good job. If not, I'll be back in Jamaica soon enough. Alright guys, then go home, do some more work, and then it's my last night, fly out tomorrow. I know the vlogs haven't been crazy, but this trip has been strictly work. But back to Jamaica Saturday, so that's tomorrow. And I have a lot of stuff planned, so don't worry. We're going to get more active next month. Last thing, 10,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be completely random. remember, we're giving out 1,000 US when we get 10,000 subscribers. We're going to do 2 giveaways of 500 each, so we bless more people instead of just one person. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Alright, squad, we're ready to go out for the night. You know, we're in our Top Lodge FGBG Gal Boss Gun shirt. Find them on thetopLodge.com. Link in the description down below. This is one of many items we have. Check them out. Support, guys. Support the thing if you can. No pressure if you can't. Flying out in a few hours. So we're just gonna go out until, you know, yeah. Come with me and the boys as we have a trip. Let's go. Wagwan Squad, so we're there for an anchor. Chug it now, chug it. No way.
It's like making a mess, man, Zaki.
That man leaky. I'm sure he wants to really do it.
We leak it.
No. Run it.
The story of the dance school, they just got on fun, split fun.
Beat you.
And that's it up.
Yo, the man not even drunk. Yo, what? She asked what type of laugh. That's what happened when you eat good. You laugh, that's chain, right? See, you laugh like that too. Like, you heard that she laughed the same a while ago, no? Yo, the world's small. Okay, come on, just big up. Who?
Shrug.
That is. Yeah, that's crazy. We're here in like, it's like the Caribbean island that's not even in the Caribbean Sea. It's like a joke. Gas prices are crazy.
Prettiest island in the Caribbean.
You've not been to Jamaica, Cuba, or DR, but big up. My turn.
A few moments later.
Where's my burger?
What the fuck is on there? Are those feet?
Don't think about Jono.
Shut the f up.
I will your girl.
I don't have any.
This have them lines. We're gonna make lines now. I have Jono.
Cheers. Go for the lanes, man.
Bro, hold on. Imagine they have straight lines and my thing vertical coming.
Your thing is straight, dog.
Look at it,
When
hold
your
on.
shoes like this is straight, dog.
Hold on, look at it. Look
Your
at it.
shoes
I
like
beg you.
this.
I
This
beg
is
you.
straight.
I beg you. Look at it.
I beg you to look at your shoe.
Look at my foot bottom. Run. Look at it.
Looking at it.
That cannot do a line.
Dog.
Why can it not?
Why can it not?
Watch me, dog.
That's
Don't move your hand, dog. Watch me, dog.
Yeah, I got you now.
What, you got it? That's a lane, dog.
Okay.
So you did that more, dog.
We can fix that, dog. Get put the lanes in my
No. Give me. Let me improve myself.
Prove yourself, dog.
No. No.
Prove yourself. Dog, give me this thing.
Hello.
James, James, it's quarter of the tree, dog.
Oh.
It's quarter of the tree.
Oh, let's go.
Turn off the f***ing camera.
No.
As my nigga beg it, don't mark your roof no more, man. Please beg it.
Hold on, please. I beg you. Just pull
But
it
James,
straight.
we mark it.
Yeah, but pull it straight.
Right
Straight. Turn.
So?
No. Turn the foot to me. No, turn the foot.
But dog, if you study it.
I didn't do that. But
Yes, you did.
no, I put it up from this way. Look, I put it up from this way.
I even so.
No.
James.
No, James, your feet was hanging out through the door,
Watch,
dog.
watch.
Your feet.
Watch your foot, dog. Watch your foot. Watch. Right here.
Let's turn it the other way.
This?
Yeah, no, the other way. Make sure you turn it this way.
No, we're gonna do too much.
Nah, but your foot wasn't pointing out. Your foot can't you no, dog.
Yeah, it's my fault. I run a full clean.
Nah, just 2 wet wipes. Just 2 wet wipes.
And too wet. Yeah.
Yo, I am fucking drunk.
Where we going now?
Airport.
We have 38 minutes.
That's the drive to the airport.
Watch this man here, you cunt.
Fight.
Man, what do you mean fuck? You might as well put that shit in your fucking it.
Good luck.
Fuck you.
Problem.
Man, drink all you fucking character. What a drunkard's kind. Listen, do not drink and drive, guys, because these
dash cam here.
Yo, man, drive the fucking car.
Next Christmas, Zach Brown and Ron are come to Jamaica.
Let's believe it.
Alright, guys.
If you play another one.
Guys, we're looking for my wallet. We found a shoe. Show the light. So, Ron has said he wants me to wear this to the airport. So, if he has this, a second one, I'm going to wear it home and leave my slippers here. Guys, it's 2:38. We just finished beating juice with Zach Brown badness.
Wagwan Squad.
That's my first Bayesian friend. We're here at the airport. We're checking in. BRB. This is... That's not mine. That's not mine. You gone?
Yeah.
Later.
Later.
Hold on.
Caribbean.
I'll see you later, Zaki.
Yeah, later, man. Nice to see you, man. Barbados back in.
There we go. Come.
There you go. Alright.
Alright, Zach, see you.
Run.
James, I can miss you, dog.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back in November.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you, brother.
My brother this. Yo, my first brother in Barbados.
Alright, come on, hold this fucking back.
Run.
You can see in November?
Yeah.
You're right.
Zach Brown badness. Big up Ron, big up Zach. Enough love. Holy f. Guys, I'm so tired, so done, so. Excuse me. Love you. Wait. Tell me you love me back. She said she loves me. I'm gonna get home safe. Promise me. Good, cause if not, don't worry, I'll be dead, so it don't matter. Guys, the whole place lock up. I'm actually the first passenger in here. Big up Zach Brown, big up Ron, big up Adam, big up Happy Feet, big up Jaja. I am junk, I tell you. I just hope I make this flight. But big up, respect. Gabby party tomorrow. Happy birthday, Gabby, we love you. I'm drunk. I'm gonna try to walk up on this plane and drop on my face. Yeah. You good? Why you look drunker than me? Alright. I'm tired of the It's like 6 up in the morning. Yeah, Trinidad has the worst in transit system in the entire world. Trinidad's transit system is just stupid. Fix up. This is just dumb. This don't make no blood clot sense every time. We're at Martinique or St. Martin. I hate Caribbean Airlines, but the honest point of this, never ever travel through Trinidad if you can avoid it. It is the worst airport to transit through. It is awful. Alright, I got back to bed. I don't know who told me to go last night.
This is the day that the Lord has made.
What the Squad, we just land. I know we have to link up.
Yo, squad, what's going on? It's been a minute since I've seen y'all, and I've been seeing y'all growing.
That's true. Chad has not been on the vlog in a minute.
We got some vlogs cooking now.
Yeah, we do. So, guys, I landed and Chad said, you ready for lunch? And yes, I'm here.
God's plan, perfect timing. I skipped breakfast. It's time for lunch.
Yeah, I'm forever grateful because I got stop it. Wagwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.